Hey, stay tuned until the end and we'll give you an update on the Anthropic settlement. But today we're here to talk about jobs. The jobs AI will disrupt and the jobs AI will enhance. Stories like this are everywhere in the news. Salesforce CEO says AI enabled him to cut 4,000 jobs. There's also another narrative that says AI isn't any good and we're in a bubble. It can't be both. This issue will obviously be worked out over time, and sure, there will be lots of clickbait between now and then. But let's break down the likely job replacements and enhancements. Some jobs are at high risk of automation. Think repetitive rules-based work like data entry clerks, basic customer service reps, routine admin assistants, payroll clerks, simple report writers. AI can handle these tasks faster and cheaper and with less errors. But AI will also enhance many jobs. Business analysts will get deeper insights in seconds. Project managers can automate updates and focus on strategies. Engineers and designers will prototype faster. Marketers will personalize campaigns at scale. And even healthcare professionals will use AI to diagnose and treat more effectively. So what should business leaders do? Don't just think about who to replace, think about the following. Audit tasks, not just roles. Reskill and redeploy talent. And use AI to enhance people, not just cut costs. Those leaders who adapt humanely and strategically will win, building future-ready, loyal, and productive teams. Now for the Anthropic update. The settlement of $1.5 billion might not stand. The judge in the case was not happy with the settlement and requested much more transparency and set a new hearing for the 25th of September, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks.